looking good.
This is a strong, consistent team. They are in unison. They're all running in unison, all off the same foot, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of that too is
This is a strong
they're all
team.
the same. They're all the AKC Siberians.
Yeah. Well,
so,
this is a strong team. The unison.
and they're all related.
The unison of the lakes.
Yeah.
They're all bouncing the same. They're all going forward the same.
Yeah.
And I have to tell you, these guys are strong.
Yeah. Trejo didn't want to make.
How are you?
So we had to anchor and get them turned around a little bit.
She okay?
Uh-huh.
Come here, little Come here, little special. Come on, my little special. Come on.
Getting those icicles off her beard.
Come on, little special.
Good job.
So they were a cute team. They just were just going, and they all seemed like they were in unison.
Yeah. Well, like I was telling Teague, they're all the same breed. They're all this is all the AKC Siberians.
Okay.
So.
Some are trotters. See, and I didn't know that.
Yeah. Well, it just depends on where we're at on the trail. You know.
Yeah, but these guys were a well-oiled machine. That's what they look like.
Yeah.
They look like a well-oiled machine.
Yeah.
Yeah. We were both going, wow.